Now, this video is specially made for bike seat owners, as in this video I have listed top 5 best bike seat for long ride in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit bike seats after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of bike seats. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the seats. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with long ride so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Tonbux bike seat is an outstanding choice for long rides, offering unparalleled comfort and support. Designed with high-density memory foam and a dual-spring suspension system, it effectively absorbs shocks and reduces pressure on sensitive areas, ensuring a pain-free experience even on rough terrains. The ergonomic design promotes proper posture, reducing strain on the back and hips. Its breathable, waterproof leather surface keeps the seat dry and comfortable, preventing discomfort during extended rides. Easy to install, the Tonbux seat fits most bike types, making it a versatile upgrade for road bikes, mountain bikes, and hybrids. Reflective strips enhance visibility and safety during night rides. With its blend of durability, comfort, and thoughtful design, the Tonbux bike seat is a top recommendation for cyclists seeking to enhance their long-distance riding experience, ensuring each journey is smooth and enjoyable. Number 2. The WTB bike seat is a top choice for long rides, renowned for its comfort and durability. Featuring a high-quality padding and ergonomic design, it ensures excellent support and reduces pressure points, preventing discomfort on extended journeys. The seat's flexible shell and adaptive rails enhance comfort by absorbing road vibrations and shocks. Its microfiber cover provides a durable, smooth surface that resists wear and remains comfortable in various weather conditions. Easy to install, the WTB bike seat fits most bike types, making it a versatile option for road, mountain, and hybrid bikes. Ideal for long-distance cyclists, it enhances overall riding experience. Number 3. The Whitcop bike seat is an excellent choice for long rides, offering unmatched comfort and support. Its innovative 5-zone concept design provides tailored cushioning, reducing pressure on critical areas and enhancing rider comfort. The high-density foam and ergonomic shape ensure proper weight distribution, preventing soreness during extended rides. The seat's waterproof, breathable surface keeps it dry and comfortable in all weather conditions. Additionally, the integrated air ventilation system helps maintain airflow, reducing heat and sweat buildup. Easy to install and compatible with most bike types, the Whitcop bike seat is perfect for cyclists seeking a reliable, comfortable solution for long-distance journeys. Number 4. The Zacro bike seat is a top pick for long rides, offering superior comfort and durability. Made with high-density memory foam, it provides excellent cushioning, reducing pressure on sensitive areas and ensuring a pain-free experience. Its ergonomic design promotes proper posture, helping to prevent back and hip strain during extended rides. The seat's waterproof and wear-resistant PU leather surface keeps it dry and comfortable in various weather conditions. Easy to install, the Zacro bike seat fits most bicycles, making it a versatile choice for road, mountain, and hybrid bikes. Ideal for long-distance cyclists, it enhances overall riding comfort and enjoyment. Number 5. The Terry bike seat is a premier choice for long rides, renowned for its exceptional comfort and ergonomic design. Featuring multi-density foam and a contoured shape, it provides superior support and reduces pressure on sensitive areas, ensuring a comfortable ride over long distances. The center cutout design enhances ventilation and reduces numbness, making it ideal for extended use. Its durable, weather-resistant cover ensures longevity and consistent performance in various conditions. Easy to install and compatible with most bike types, the Terry bike seat is perfect for road, mountain, and touring bikes. Cyclists seeking comfort and reliability will find it an excellent investment for long rides. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly so that it from this video. And I hope you like this video on best bike seat for long ride. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.